I'm going to eat. So I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat.
Alright you guys, so I'm actually starting the video by making these goodie bags or goodie gifts. These gifts for my son's doctor, nurses, and a lactation specialist. I already talked about this in my previous video, but I'm making a little bit more because the other ones are already given to my nurses and doctor. So these ones are for my son's caregivers pretty much. Yeah, I'll give you guys a close-up look after, but here I'm just showing you how I'm putting everything together. So it's usually, this is how it looks like. Thank you for coming, and I put the snowflakes in the back with all our guests. This is how it is. But since I ran out of the regular tags, brand new tags for the nurses and doctor, I just put these two in the back. But all of them are just regular plain tags, you know, regular plain tags, and that's how it looks like. This is just a winter hand soap, because once again the baby shower was a winter wonderland themed, or it still is. There it is. And as mentioned in the title, today is laundry day, so it's pretty much gonna be me doing laundry on any other day. It's pretty much every day that I've been doing laundry, and trust me, I still have more laundry that I need to be done as we speak. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my laundry, or me doing my laundry, to motivate you to get yours done as well. So in between, I'm actually eating breakfast or eating snack, and yes, it's still me. I'm only the only one at home still, because during the time I was filming this video, my kids were still not home. And if you guys were wondering what I was doing with that little red bucket over there, I was putting water in my dryer bucket. Let me know if you guys know what I'm talking about. what do you guys typically have for breakfast? For me, I like sweet things, so I egos or I eat fruits or pancake or things like that, things that are sweet, oatmeal. I don't really like salty things for breakfast because that's just how I grew up. I actually never ate my breakfast growing up, but I get hungry when I'm pregnant or during my postpartum, and that's the only time I eat breakfast. Alright, so that's pretty much today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I didn't get to film an outro in person, but I hope that I motivated you in either way to eat your food or to do your laundry. I was gonna cut off these clips of me eating, but I thought, you know what, just leave it there because it's real life, and I hope you guys don't mind. Please catch me up in my social media. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm always there. Give the video a like if you did like it. That will help me a whole lot. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye bye. Mwah. Now you speak.
So thanks for watching. So for today, so we've been to lunches. So I'm going to eat. So I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat. So I'll finish my ones, regular ones.
Are you done?
Not yet. It's systems.